तो इतलो कित्याक घाई कोत्ता? Why is the TCP minister in such a hurry to sell out Goa is a big question that we are trying to ask. What is the hurry? You have not even put things in place. You don't have any base maps. You don't have any base criteria. You don't have reports. You don't have studies. You don't have infrastructure in place. But everything is going fast track. पहिले सगळे ताणे PDA काडटा म्हणून अजून पासून PDA काडूंक ना. May 16th of May 2018 was the date where they had a meeting to decide whether they are going to denotify or remove the PDAs. Till date, the minutes of the meeting have not been given to us. Till date.
TCP मंत्री लोकांक किकोत करता हे खंय ताका बुसतले.
But he has not bothered to even call and fix an appointment. When he came back from USA, we gave him 1 month. The moment he had come, in fact in 3 days I gave a letter saying I would like to meet him. Till today I have not got a reply. I thought maybe 1 month he wants to discuss important issues with his ministers. It was fine. But not even a phone call. And when I called to ask for appointment, they said no, he is not in a position to even give a date.
लोकांक सांगता की आपण काढले म्हणून PDA आणि फाटल्या दारांच्यान ही परमिशन पास जाता GPPDA. लोकांक दोळाकडे काळो कपडो हाडलेलो आसा PDA काढली म्हणून. आज सगळी परमिशनां एप्रूव जातात आणि असेंब्लीन फक्त त्यांचं नाटक चाललेलें आसा. हे जेणी ते कमिटमेंट केल्लें ते तर आमकां बेगीचे बेगीन तो स्टेटमेंट काडून ते क्लियर करिना आणि डिनोटिफिकेशन करिना जाल्यार ओन्ली वन थिंग रायट नाव होल ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ गोवा तुम्ही ट्रायबल कम्युनिटी धरा, तुम्ही बहुजन कम्युनिटी धरा, तुम्ही नीज गोंयकार धरा, all the communities have come together to oppose TDR and I think so आज तर तो डिसिजन सारकें घेयना विजय सरदेसाय. This will be his political career end.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.